MGOL. Wow. I This one went up pretty big. I just want to say congrats to everyone. Let's just go over price prediction, where kind of see where this should top out. I was saying I was a little iffy on this one as we did hit the CMA 5. A lot of times I see price come down from that area. This was the buy point down here at this lower band, this lower Keltner channel. You had some EMA 5 time distance. So technically all right in this area was a nice buys area. Went up to this EMA 5, made a nice base hit on this. But did I expect this kind of move? Absolutely not. This was a nice 30% move that I liked. Price is coming up to this EMA 20 almost. This EMA 20 is at 37 cents. Well, price is at 32. So do keep in mind, these EMAs are going to act as resistance. We haven't touched this EMA 20 since 1126, so 1226, 126. I can see why we're heading towards it. Anytime you don't hit the EMA 20 in 2 months as long, it's a possibility that it can, hurry up and touch that. So we had a long EMA 20 time distance. We had a beautiful EMA 5 TD where we haven't touched the EMA 5 in a bit, and then we had this lower Keltner channel touch. This was a recipe for an oversold dead cat bounce that could go all the way to the EMA 20. Now, I'm not going to take any credit and say I told you so. No, I had no idea it would go to this because it doesn't have to go to this. It can go in an orderly fashion where I knew price was going to go to the EMA 5. I had a very good suspicion it would go to the 10, but did I think price would go all the way up into the 32-cent range in this? Absolutely not. What I thought was going to happen is price was going to, touch the 5 or the 10, reject, which it did here on the 10. It rejected, like, it went a little above it, rejected, kind of consolidate, go a little down, touch the 5, touch the 10, and then over time, let this EMA 20 come down some more and touch that 20. So that's what I thought. But all in all, though, if you don't touch the EMA 20 in 2 months, it is long. We just don't know exactly when. It's easier to predict an EMA 5 or 10 because those are shorter time frames of EMAs. This was an extremely oversold pattern, and if you look at the last time, this is really what I was really thinking. This, we come here, we come all the way to the 10, right? And that's kind of like what we got here. We come here, we come to the 10. But this was an explosive move. It has to do with a lot of the merger. Absolutely. MGO, parent of the combined companies, will be Pubco. So ordinary shares will be listed on Nasdaq market under symbol HMAR. So they got a lot of things going on with MGO, right? So, that's obviously what's causing it, is this, this anticipation to that, because they announced the Form F4 registration for proposed business combination. So, that's going to be the clause, and that can wreck any chart where price can go dramatically up. But I do think, we are going to get resistances on these EMAs like we did on the 5, we did on the 10, and we'll probably do it on the 20. Are we going to for sure hit this 20? This 20 is going to go down some every day. So it's at 37.91, and it's been dropping roughly 2 to 3 cents. So it could drop around, it's at 37. It could be at 35 the next morning. It could hurry up and touch it at 35. We'll see. You can look at the lower time frame. Look at this beautiful bounce here. If you guys love day trading, we hit this upper band. Where do we come back down to is this EMA 50, and we make this an explosion move up. Explosion move up. We are in an uptrend on a smaller time frame, which is what I love to see. We did not break through this EMA 50 on a 15-minute chart. We're going up big time. So pennies are always hard. They're always unpredictable. No one can predict this. We can have like little things. My thing is, take the gains. Don't be dissatisfied if you're like, oh man, I didn't get as much gains. Always trail and stop. If you make 10%, try to go for 20, trail some stop, leave some of your stuff at break even, okay? Just because, if it goes all the way down, let's say you had it at 13 cents, that's pretty low here. Your break even is here. You will get rid of a majority at 10%, 20%, 30, and you just keep getting rid of it, and it comes back down. If it goes all the way back down, you don't carry. You're just riding this up, right? But you definitely got to keep watch on these because there's a lot of stocks after hours that can either dump real quick, and you want to be really paying attention to that. But yeah, I'm just my prediction here is the EMA 20. That would be very nice for everyone. I would love to see all. We're definitely filling this. We had 3 gaps here. We filled the first, we filled the second. Now we're coming into this third gap at 34 cents here, and we're getting pretty close. So we'll see how that does, guys. That's my prediction. EMA 20 on the daily chart. It's probably going to open up at 35 cents tomorrow. We'll see. But if you guys want to join the premium Discord, I would love to have you guys. I think you guys are going to make a lot of smart decisions. A lot of people are bag holding this one, unfortunately, and probably a lot of people aren't even making that much money on it, even though this thing has gone up a lot, because this thing has made a big nasty drop. And if you didn't have this system, you would have been buying every dip that has came down. You would see it down here. You bought this dip, this dip, this dip, and you were in a rough road of pain. And not every stock does this, where it actually comes all the way back up to this EMA 20 very fast like that. So thank your lucky stars. If you got out, just don't make that mistake again. Follow these rules for bottom trend reversals. Make sure your lower Keltner, you have it at my settings. Make sure you have time distance away the 5. You can oftentimes look for consolidation, and then you get in for those base hits, either the 5 or the 10. Take it at the 5. Some profit. If it goes back down to your average, you stop out. All right. That's the basics things that I tell people in my Discord. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, I would love to have you guys in there. I think you guys will like this community. I look for stocks just like MGOL that is a bottom reversal that can make a massive move up. Click the link down below in the YouTube comments below and in the description. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts. And it'll take you to this free chat landing page when you join. If you want to subscribe, nope, you don't have to if you don't want, but for this video alone, I'm going to make a promotional video of $12 a month. You get everything. Lifetime discount. You get everything. And if you're from another country, maybe you're not from the US, it might charge a currency exchange rate. Who knows? Some people said I had to pay like 14 or 15. It's still a really good deal considering the fact that most people charge $50, $100, a month, even if not more, just for alerts. But I'm willing to go over and give you guys a step of how to trade. I'll tell you guys why MGO was a good trade, why it wasn't a good trade over here, and how I look to trade bottom reversals, and how you can make these monster returns. If you're a daredevil, you can go make about, from the lows here, 300%. It's possible. I've waken up to stocks that have made me over 100% returns, and you better believe it, I'm taking in a heartbeat. My base hits are always 10%. Because I'm not greedy. I'm not trying to higher percentage gains. I've seen stocks where I go up 30% back in the day and then goes down negative. I don't want to deal with that. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to join, you'll get access to everything. Just hit day trade alerts right here, and that will give you access to my swing trades and my day trades for $12 a month. It will never increase. You'll be grandfathered in. You'll also get my education videos, swing trading education, my live streams right here. Stock suggestions by other community members, on the lookout for stuff. And then, the premium chat, you can kind of talk, like-minded traders that are doing kind of the same system and really help each other out. All right. If you guys need any help, I will definitely be there. I'll make sure you guys understand everything. It's not going to be hard. You'll pick up this strategy very fast. Day trading's a little more advanced. It'll take you some time, but we'll get you through that too. It is my favorite strategy. You can win over 90% with that strategy. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a like, subscribe, comment. Congratulations for all the MGOL people who are holding, made money. If you did not make money and, you're still bag holding, you're just trying to break even, or you took a minor loss, don't feel bad about it. I'll get you guys, there's always another stock. Follow this system. This system's pretty strict on these bottom reversals. I hate trading against the trend. If I get a nice opportunity, I will trade against the trend. I've made good money on CYN. Just yesterday, we had this beautiful pump where we had this same setup. We had this lower band touched, and we went a nice pump. And that's the kind of the stuff you get. You usually get your biggest dead cat bounces there. Nothing's guaranteed in trading, but it works a lot. All right, guys. As you can see, we're up trending on the 15-minute. We're bouncing on the EMAs. We'll see how high this goes. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out, and I'll see you guys in the Discord.